Yes, plus 36. Yes, yes. 2 times
And
4. What do you get over this side?
50.4.
50.4.
Yes, sir.
What is cos of 70?
I think I did record that wrong. Give me a second, sir. 0.34.
0.84.
No, 34.
Come again.
0.342.
Oh, 342. 342. Okay. 342. So 0.342. Okay. All right. So we'd have to say HF square. Yes. We add this to, when we add this to, what do we get?
56.25.
56.25. Right. Then multiply these two.
And then they get what is this? 17.237.
Okay, all right. So HF square. When you minus this one, what do you get?
I get 17.237. I get 39.013.
31.011.
39, sir.
39.013.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so H square root of 39.013. All right, so what do we get for HF?
6.24.
Come again.
6.246.
6.246. Right, so basically this is what approximately have been 6.25, right?
Yes, sir.
Right, centimeters. Any question? So the only thing I want somebody to come, everybody getting the cos 70, the same thing. So you get okay, good. Okay, so the second question is a little bit interesting, right? They asked you to find the area, right, of the parallelogram. Anybody can tell me which formula will you use to find the area of a parallelogram here? Area half times A times B times the sine of the angle, right? So you are going to use this formula. Now, the question is, why am I using this formula? Because look at it. I'm giving the side, angle, side. When you have side, angle, side, and they ask you to find the area, I repeat, if you are giving side, angle, side, and they ask you to find the area, you use half times A times B times the sine of the angle, right? So this will give me, so you are going to find the area of one part. The thing is, if this is a parallelogram, that means this side and this side, they are the same, right? So this give me half times 4.2, right? Times 6 times sine 70. So we use this portion to find the area of one side. Then when you finish now, we multiply by 2. All right. So go one time, go say 2.1. Then we are going to 2.1 times 6 times sine 70. You can tell me what is sine 70, please.
0.939.
0.939. So we work out the 3 now. 2.1 times 6 times 0.939. What do we get?
11.83.
11.8 what? 3, right? Centimeter square. Now, the fact that what happened is this: when you work out this, right? This is for only one side. This is area 1. This side and this side will be the same thing. So you have 2 triangles in one. So what you are going to do is you say, therefore, the area of E, F, G, H will be equals to 2 times 11.83. Right, and we work it. Why multiply by 2? Because actually we are finding the area of the entire diagram, right? So it had been 11 times. So somebody multiply 11 times 11.83 times 2 for me. Right. When you multiply, what do we get? Anybody can tell me? 11.83 times 2 centimeters square, right? We get that? Okay, I'm seeing a question in the chat. All right, good. All right, so let's look at the next one now, right? Okay. So T squared is equal to W squared plus S squared. Take away 2WS, yes.
Cos 52.
Cos 52.
Sir, then they're going to say
So you're gonna say 5 centimeter.
No, what is T? What is T? So it would have been SW square, right? We're going to write SW square here. It's equal to 5, okay, 5 square, yes, plus what?
Plus 9 square.
Yes, plus 9 square, yes.
Take away 2 bracket 5 bracket 9 cos
2
50.
bracket 5, 9, 9 bracket cos 52. What is cos 52?
0.615.
0.1?
615.
615. Okay. So we SW square. What is 5 square?
25
25
plus 81.
plus 81. Yes.
Sorry, then you're gonna do the calculation.
So you're right. So you work out 2 times 5.
Sorry, negative 90.
Negative 90.
Yes, sir.
All right. Times 0.615. Right. So SW square.
Equal 106.
106. Yes. Minus 1.
Sir, 55.35.
55.35. Okay. So SW square. Right. When we minus, what do we get?
50.65.
Right. So SW we equal
The
to
square
square
root
root of 50.65. All right.
equals 7.116.
7.116. So approximate to 7.12. Yes, hello. I have no clue what is going on. Hello. So for the first For the first one, we use the sine rule. R over sine R is equal to Q over sine Q. So it says 7 over sine 60 is equal to RS over sine 48, right? We find what is sine 60. Sine 60 will give me 0.866. We find what is 48. Sine 48 is 0.743. Then we cross multiply. When you cross multiply, we get 7 times 7 times 0.743 is equal to RS times 0.866. When you multiply 7 times this, you get 5.201. Is equal to RS times 0.866. Now, remember, I want to find RS. So how do you find RS? 5.201 divided by 0.866. Then RS will give me 6.01 centimeters. Right. Tell me if you understand that.
Yes, sir.
All right. So the next question they ask, we are going to put, so we know that the next question they ask for angle QTS, this angle here, right? Angle QTS. They want to find this angle. Obviously, if I have to find this angle here, right? This angle here has no, what's the name? This angle here has no matching pair. So if there's no matching pair here, because here we don't have no angle in each side. Once there's no matching pair, we have to use the cosine rule, right? So name here small t. So we come back here now, right? We are going to name this side here. So our focus now is the other one now, right? So we label this side. We label this side small t, right? Small s and small q. Since we want to find angle q, angle t, I repeat, since we want to find angle t, we say t square is equal to t square is equal to s square plus q square minus 2sq cos t. All right. So we are going to write 7 square is equal to my s. S is 8 square plus q 10 square minus 2 times 8 times 10 cos t. Now we found what is 7 square. Can somebody tell me?
49.
49 is got what is 8 square?
64.
64. What is 10 square?
100.
Minus 2 times this is what? When we work out this, what do we get?
The 160.
160.
160. All right. Cos t. So we say 49 equal to 164 minus cos 160 cos t. Now we are going to find the cos t. So move this one to this side. We get 49 minus 164 is equal to negative 160 cos t. All right. Then when you minus this and this, what do we get, please?
Negative 115.
Negative 115 is equal to negative 160 cos t. Now, so you say negative 115 divided by negative 160 cos t. All right, so we cancel these two, right? When you cancel these two here, what do we get? So divide that for me, what do we get?
Sir, 0.718.
0.718, right? It's equal to cos t. I want to find angle t. So angle t is equal to cos inverse of 0.718. Now, let's find angle t, right? Find angle t and see what we get.
Sir, 44.11.
44.11, okay, degrees. All right, so you can copy this for me, right? Let's do that quickly. Then we'll look at another one, okay?
Yes, sir.
So here we are going to put half 1/2 times 9 times 12 times sine of 60 degrees. 2 goes to 1 time, 2 goes to 6 times. 9 times 6 times sine 60. What is sine 60?
Zero 0.866.
0.866. All right. So work it out for you. So how do I multiply this centimeter to get?
$46.764.
46.76.
4.
Come again.
Sir, 4. No, sir, 46.764.
All right, 76. All right. 6 square. All right, cool. All right. So that clear? So we want the day 1 and the day 2. Thank you.
Is that what you said?
Yeah. All right. Then we have, so remember that thing, here we have rectangle, right? So they see that thing. Say Brown, I did some course with on assessment level 4 the other day. I did assessment with level 4. Right. I'm wondering if the certificates are ready yet. Yes, sir. That was somewhere in June, like
July.
no, yeah, last year, right. July, yeah. Okay. Okay, yes, sir. Level 4. Yes, sir. Yeah, July, then June, July, then. 373
6908.
6908.
At least I know it.
You're welcome, sir. Yes, sir.
I know it too.
Yes, sir. Okay, all right.
All right. Okay, guys, I am actually caught up in so many things, right? Oh, gosh. All right, so in this case here, right, if you are doing the last one, they say we should draw the perpendicular distance from Q to RS, right? So what you are going to do, you can name here X. You can name this point X here, right? You can name this side X. So we come here, we are going to draw a right angle triangle, which would have been this one, this way, and that way, right? Then we'll join this one with that. Good. Then this side would have been R, here would have been Q, here would have been X. This is the right angle. This angle would have been 60 degrees. This is 9 meters, right? Now, so we want to find from here, this is what we are looking for. So if you are looking for this one, you will label this side as opposite, this side as hypotenuse, and this side as adjacent, all right? Then after that, now we are going to, since we want to find from Q to X, like from this side to this side, we want to find the perpendicular here, right? From Q to X here, it's opposite, and we are looking at opposite, and we are looking at hypotenuse. So that would be sine. So it's a sine 60 degrees is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So say sine 60 degrees, opposite would have been QX over hypotenuse, which is 9. Then we find what is sine 60 degrees, right? Sine 60 degrees will give me what?
$0.866.
0.866 times 9. Okay, it's equal to, let me just do the steps, right? It's equal to QX over 9. So that means 0.866 times 9 is equal to QX, right? Then we multiply that now. So what is QX? What we get from Q to X? What do you get from Q to X? Who can tell me? How do I get Q to X? Talk to me quickly.
Sir, 7.794.
7.794. 7.794. All right. So we're going to put this one together. We get 7 points. They want it to one decimal place. So that'll be 7.8, right? Meter. All right. So guys, I have posted this worksheet in the WhatsApp group, right? About it from yesterday. There are actually 10 questions. We've looked at 4 questions. So we still have 6 questions out there. I'm going to ask you, please find time, go through it, right? All what you need to know is the cosine rule and the sine rule, how to work around them, all right? When to use cosine rule and when to use sine rule. Cool. So at this point here, you can go ahead and write your name in the chat, then you can leave. And please remember to do the rest of the questions, all right? Maybe what I can do on Monday, I'll do some of them, then we close it off, then we start a new topic. Clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. And thanks for coming, guys. And please remember, if should in case you still those who are paying per week, remember to do payment, and those who are paying per month, them all right, and they should make sure that they talk to your parents at least, right? They do their part too. Okay. Okay. Bless up everybody.
Bye, sir.